To differentiate between class and interface, you have to know what is the difference between interfaces and classes. Interface look like similar to class, but it has some different property that you have to understand by using this differentiation. First, I will start from class here. Class actually contains members that can be either constant, okay, or it may be a variable. The variables which is declared in the class should be either constant or it may be a variable. But whenever you declare any variable in interfaces, the members of an interface are always declared as constant. Variables declared in the interfaces are always, actually, they are constant values. In class, definition can contain the code for each of its methods. That is, the methods can be abstract or non-abstract. In class, if you return any methods, we are defining the code for the method, or sometimes we are not defining the code for the method. That is called as abstract and non-abstract. But in interfaces, you are not defining any code for the method. It is just an declaration part. So the methods in the interfaces are abstract in nature. Abstract means you are not writing the code for the method. There is no code associated with them. It is later defined by the class that implements the interface. The code is written by the class, which class implements that interface. In a class, it can be instantiated by declaring objects. Using class, if it is not an abstract one, we can create an object of that one. But interfaces, actually it is abstract. Okay, we have not written the code for the method, so it is abstract. So we cannot use to declare objects. It can only be inherited by the class. Inheritance always used as a superclass. It cannot use for a creating objects. The next difference is class can be used various access specifier like public, private, and protected. In a class, we can use these public specifiers, access specifiers like public, private, and protected. But in interface, all the members are always public. We cannot create a private or protected access, members. It's always a public. So public access specifier is, access specifier is public. Which one is optional part in the interface?